Supreme Court has appointed one-member panel to monitor the situation in Punjab, Haryana and UP in connection to stubble burning. Justice Madan B. Lakur, former SC judge, to act as the one-man monitoring committee to prevent stubble burning in the states. Meenakshi Bhanja joining me on the phone line with more information. We'll try and connect to Meenakshi in just a bit. The plea against stubble burning is being heard in the top court. The Supreme Court has set up a one-member monitoring committee. A former judge will monitor farm fires in 3 states, that is Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan and UP, in connection with the stubble burning issue. Now, despite all measures on all directions, farm fires have continued. Now, is it because the farmers do not have an alternative, or is it simply recklessness? The Supreme Court has in fact appealed, has in fact put out directions time and again saying the citizens deserve cleaner air and it can be made possible. Let me go across to Meenakshi to get an understanding of what is being ruled in this case in the plea against stubble burning. Meenakshi?
Well, that's right, Afrida. Very important to bring to our viewers' notice that the Supreme Court has noted that this is an issue which is not an indictment of any authority. It has set up a one-man committee which is going to be led or headed by former Supreme Court Judge Justice Madan B. Lakur to monitor the actions and steps taken to prevent stubble burning in states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. And alongside, the Supreme Court has also commended student forces like the NCC, NSS, Bharat Scouts and the other guides who have been involved with the issue of stubble burning. And furthermore, the court has asked them to also help this one-man-headed committee led by Honorable Justice Madan Lakur. Now, this is very important to bring to our viewers and underline the fact that the Supreme Court is noting today that this is not an order indicting any authority. The top court is only concerned that the citizens of Delhi NCR are able to breathe fresh, clean air. And while the court is shut, the top court doesn't want anything to happen during these 9 days. The Supreme Court is talking about the forthcoming break that it is slated to take. And this is an issue, Afrida, which has featured again and again at a certain time of the year in the Supreme Court. Even last year, our viewers will recall, it was a bench led by now retired Supreme Court Justice Honorable Arun Mishra, who had pulled up several states and their chief secretaries, neighboring states from Uttar Pradesh to Haryana to Delhi, and also Punjab, pertaining to specific measures being taken by those authorities in advance to curb the menace of stubble burning. And yet we are seeing it is continuing unabated. So clearly there is some form of scrutiny of the Supreme Court which is required on a periodical basis to ensure that all the arms of the administration work in tandem with each other.
Absolutely, Meenakshi. All arms of the administration must work in tandem because this is absolutely serious. This is an issue that must be addressed immediately. And now with the Supreme Court appointed committee, let's hope that the systems are set in place and rolling to contain this menace. Thanks for joining us. Let's take a short break here on the broadcast. News and updates continue on the other side. Stay with us and also visit us on mirrornownews.com. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Telegram for fresh updates.